What's up, Sophie? You gonna ride this ride, bro? Look at it, bitch. Bruh. Got a pretty lake over there. See, they don't care. They don't care if you don't talk, bro. Dude just walked by. He didn't even tell me to put my phone away. That's what's up. Georgia, man. Disney would have told you put your phone away, put it in the cubby. If you're on Wild Adventures, they'd be like, oh, well, if you feel like dropping it in the water, that's on you. Just keep it straight, alright? Alright. Just keep it straight, okay, Sophie? Come on, Sophie, just keep it straight. Come on, bro. Look at it. Oh. Oh yeah, flying over the lake. Oh, what's up, Sophie? Over here flying the bird. Just don't do it all crazy, fine. Alright, crazy girl. Don't be doing it all crazy, fine. Yeah, don't be doing it all crazy, fine, bruh. Don't be doing it all crazy, fine. Come on, Sophie, come on. Keep it all straight. Oh yeah. Let's see what they do. Oh. What's up? Hey. It's cold as fuck, this bitch. What's up? Alright, we getting down. Alright, see y'all on the blast.